Hey YouTube, today in this video I am just going to be doing an upcycle on an old piece of furniture. So the girl who waxed my eyebrows, she is amazing and she just upgraded and moved to a new salon. So she had this really cute piece of furniture. She had several things, but she gave this to me because she was going to get rid of it anyway. So I said, hey, sure, I'll take it. I brought it home, sanitized it. I'm just going to add a couple bling buttons to it. So just stay tuned so you can see how I go ahead and do this. You will need some gems from Walmart and some glue. Stay tuned. This has been thoroughly cleaned previously. Just to save you a bit of trouble, use some glue, E6000 hot glue, whatever you have. Use glue. Use glue. They all fell off. Use glue. You can see this. The size of it, I believe, is the exact size. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these holes up. I'm going to wipe them all out with alcohol first to get a nice stick. Because I'm not going to use any glue of them. If I find that they don't stick properly, I'll use some hot glue. This is what I originally had to use. This is what you would really put on furniture. See how pretty those are? And they're nice and heavy. But look, when I sit it on here, it doesn't fit flat. So I'm just gonna settle for these. So we'll see how this looks. I'm gonna set the camera up, wipe this out with some alcohol again, just to make sure there's no too much upholstery grease or anything. There's a little bit of sand on here. I have this outside, it was in the garage for now. And my daughter was playing with some sand. I guess she got a little bit on here. So I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. Just a little bit, and then now I'm going to start adding the putting them on now. I wiped everything down. Okay, so here's an update to my video. I'm gonna go ahead and take this in the house because as you can see, quite a few of these little gems, fell right off. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, I should have used some type of E6000. Okay, so once I took it in the house, wiped it down again, of course, I went ahead, I did add some E6000. It didn't give a weird effect, so these did end up working pretty good with the E6000. But then the rest of them, I went ahead and used hot glue gun. And they feel pretty sturdy. So I'm just going to show you me doing that. And just to make sure, again, use glue. The little adhesive on them wasn't enough. Okay, so I'm all finished putting on the little Walmart gems. And you know, when you use hot glue, you have those little, you just go through and kind of pull those off. It comes right off. And I feel much more confident with this. Just make sure you don't over glue it because you got to press these like down on here. Well, depending upon how your furniture that you are, I think that's the word. Just take you a little paper towel and wipe the webs off. This is a really nice piece of furniture. If you get a little bit of the glue on there, just try your best to just pull it off. This is going to be really nice. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this at yet. My daughter wants this in her room. So most likely that's where it will go. It will go in her room. I'll just kind of step back a little bit. I'm in my kitchen. There's cords and stuff on the floor, but I am really proud of this. So just make sure you don't just stick it on straight out the pack. Make sure when you stick this on that you are using some type of glue. And just to see how it will work, I did use E6000 on a couple of these. Of course, it takes a bit longer to dry than the glue gun, the hot glue gun. So mainly I use the hot glue, but it's up to you, it's your preference. But thank you for watching this video.